See here students, so we have the example 4 here. Example 4, sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 divided by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 is equal to 1 divided by secant theta minus tan theta. So LHS is sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 divided by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. So for this LHS part, first we have to do whole expression is divided by cos theta. Then sin theta by cos theta minus cos theta by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta divided by sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by cos theta minus 1 by cos theta. Then in the next step, sin theta by cos theta is tan theta minus cos theta by cos theta is 1 plus 1 by cos theta is secant theta. So that divided by sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. Then cos theta by cos theta is 1 minus 1 by cos theta is secant theta. Is that clear up to this step? So next, so we have to change the place. Tan theta plus secant theta minus 1. Like this we have to do. Then divided by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. So to get this expression, to get the use of this identity, so we have to multiply both tan theta minus secant theta, both numerator, for both numerator and denominator. So tan theta minus secant theta, then tan theta minus secant theta. Then you can observe a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. Tan square theta minus secant square theta minus 1 into tan theta minus secant theta is minus tan theta minus secant theta. That divided by this denominator as it is we have to maintain. That is tan theta minus secant theta plus 1 into tan theta minus secant theta. Now tan square theta minus secant square theta. Here we are using identity. Tan square theta minus secant square theta value is minus 1, not plus 1. Substitute that minus 1, then remove the bracket with the sign operation here. Minus into tan theta is minus tan theta. Minus into minus is plus, that is secant theta, divided by, in the denominator, tan theta minus secant theta plus 1 into tan theta minus secant theta. So what we are observing is tan theta secant theta 1. In the numerator also tan theta secant theta 1. But exactly with the opposite sign. Here plus 1 is there. Here minus 1 is there. Minus tan theta. Here plus tan theta. Plus secant theta. Here minus secant theta. So we cannot cancel this one, right? So if they have the same sign, we can cancel. So we can convert this as like this only. So how to convert? By removing minus 1 as a outside common factor. Let us take minus 1 as common factor. Can I write here, students? So is it visible now? So now we are taking from the numerator minus 1 outside. If minus 1 we took outside, what is inside actually? Plus 1. Plus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, no? So remaining is plus 1 factor. Then minus tan theta, in that already minus 1 is outside, in the sense plus tan theta. Are you observing this one? Plus tan theta, because minus 1 into plus tan theta becomes minus tan theta. Next one, plus secant theta. In the plus secant theta already minus 1 is outside. Minus 1 is outside, in the sense what is remaining? Minus secant theta is inside. Right now minus into minus, it becomes plus. Got the idea how to take minus 1 as a common factor, students? See here, we are taking minus 1 as common factor here. So if we remove minus 1 as common factor in minus 1, plus 1 is remaining inside the bracket, plus in minus tan theta already minus 1 is there, in the sense plus tan theta. Then in plus secant theta already minus 1 is outside, in the sense plus minus secant theta. That divided by this denominator is as it is. Tan theta minus secant theta plus 1 into tan theta minus secant theta. Yes, the board is visible now, students? Yes. Now you just observe 1 plus tan theta minus secant theta, 1 plus tan theta minus secant theta. Same to same expression with the same sign. Just place change. So can we strike out that one? We can cancel that one. Okay. So which is equal to, in the numerator minus 1 is remaining, divided by tan theta minus secant theta. Once look at the RHS part. In RHS part, 1 divided by secant theta minus tan theta. Okay, here minus 1 divided by tan theta minus secant theta. What we have to do is minus 1 take as it is divided by. Here you can take the minus sign as a common factor. Can we take minus sign as common factor? Yes, minus. If we remove minus outside, what is inside actually? So minus already outside. What we have to write here? Plus tan theta, there already minus outside in the sense. Yes, minus tan theta. Minus tan theta. Already minus secant theta. Minus sign is outside in the cells. Plus secant theta. Plus secant theta. Here we remove minus as a common factor. Now minus minus get cancelled. What is remaining? 1 divided by minus tan theta plus secant theta. We can rewrite as plus secant theta minus tan theta. Hence RHS. Okay, so 1 divided by secant theta minus tan theta. Got the idea of this problem, students? So you just observe. I think first step is clear, dividing cos theta. Next step is clear. Okay, so next is grouping, and for both numerator and denominator, we have to multiply by tan theta minus secant theta and tan theta minus secant theta. I think multiplication step. Denominator no need to multiply. Denominator as it is you have to take. Only in the numerator you have to do the multiplication operation. Okay, so here we used a square minus b square concept. Then tan square theta minus secant square theta, we used identity minus 1. Okay, then minus tan theta plus secant theta. Here tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Here we are observing the same term with the opposite sign, but we have to convert with the same term with the same sign. For that we removed minus 1 outside. Then we got 1 plus tan theta minus secant theta. In the denominator already plus tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. So we cancelled that one. Here we got minus 1 by tan theta minus secant theta. But here minus sign we don't want. Here tan theta minus secant theta, we need secant theta minus tan theta. So for that we removed minus factor outside. Then we got minus tan theta plus sec theta inside. Minus minus cancelled. Therefore 1 by secant theta minus tan theta. Is that clear, students? This is about the explanation part of the example 4. Is that clear? Try to understand the problem by solving the problem. Actually, it is there in your textbook, but in the textbook some steps are skipped. Okay, they have given the direct steps. Okay, so just go through that steps. Okay, already only 18 students are there. Just remaining students, they will observe the recording version anyhow. So this is about the example problems related to trigonometric identities. Okay, so now today's homework is last exercise, that is 4th exercise. Okay, 4th exercise is homework. Tomorrow we'll discuss the 4th exercise solution. Is that clear, students? First you have to write the trigonometric identities derivation, then you have to write the example problems, then you have to start with the exercise question. Is that clear, students? Yes, then we'll meet tomorrow. So meet you tomorrow. Recording is in process. Open the recorder to manage. Okay. Yes, students, we'll meet you tomorrow. Already time is 1:30. So tata, bye bye.